Hello, welcome to MS Tech. We're based out of Southern California and have been in business for over 27 years. We've retrofitted hundreds of CNC machines with our controls and know that we have the right solution for your machine. Our controls have been applied in various industries, such as the aerospace and automotive industries. All the technology is owned by us, and as such, we can customize this CNC control to meet your needs. This is a brief overview of our MS Tech 3270 CNC control. Our control uses a state-of-the-art industry-grade motion controller that is entirely solid state. The control is Fanuc G-code compatible, so that there is no need to have a special post-processing program. You can import your program through USB ports or through RS-232 COM port. You may also build a program through conversational programming. Our panel is of a universal design and is suitable to control various types of machine. The 4 push buttons and the 4 keys are customizable so that they can be reprogrammed to interact with different control functions. The hand wheel is for jogging the machine in manual mode or changing feed or spindle override in auto mode. Our CNC control software was entirely designed and created by us. We have included a variety of functions to streamline and improve your CNC machining experience. Prior to cutting parts, you can run your program simulation to generate 3D graphics that can be zoomed in or out. This helps the operator to find out any potential mistakes before beginning real machining. Operators can view G-code and M-code lists conveniently, as well as many other helpful information. Our customers agree that the CNC systems are more user-friendly than that of other big-name manufacturers. For maintenance personnel, our built-in diagnostic tools such as ladder viewing, I/O testing, encoder reading, etc. will help you diagnose your machine easily. Our PLC is embedded with our motion controller with a fully functional tool changer control. The installation of our control is straightforward for CNC service personnel. Simply mount the operator panel in front and connect the 4 cables attached. Mount our motion control unit, signal connection unit, I/O expansion unit, power supply units in the control cabinet and interconnect them with the cables supplied. The next step is to connect the I/O signals to the signal connection and the I/O export. Suggested reference and wiring diagrams are always provided by MS Tech. Unlike most other third-party controls, MS Tech CNC can integrate with the existing motors and drives of many popular brands, while new motors and drives are always available for purchase. This gives you the option to balance your budget. MS Tech CNC control comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Optional warranty up to 5 years is available. For more information, please visit our website or send us an email. You can also call us or send us an email to schedule a tour at our facility. We'd be happy to show you just what our controls can do and all the possibilities for your machine. Thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon.